Hey everyone, my name is Christine Javier, and today I'm going to work on Free Code Camp's Truncate a String basic algorithm. So in this challenge, I'm just going to read the directions here because it entails everything we need to know. We're going to truncate a string, which is the first argument of this function, str, if it is longer than the given maximum string length, the second argument at num. Return the truncated string with a 3-dot ending. Note, this is important, that inserting the 3 dots to the end will add to the string length. However, if the given maximum string length num is less than or equal to 3, then the addition of the 3 dots does not add to the string length in determining the truncated string. All right, so go ahead and give that a good read again if that wasn't quite clear. That's pretty much telling us everything we need to know. I'm just going to go ahead and copy this function here and work in my text editor. All right. And on the bottom, I already put in the test cases, so we could just quickly run through that as we go along. All right, so let me take a quick glance here. The first thing I want to do is tackle this notion here. If the given maximum string length is less than or equal to 3, then the addition of the 3 dots does not add to the string length. All right. And let's see, truncate. Return the truncated string. All right, if the first argument is longer than the given maximum string length. Okay, so the first thing I want to tackle is I'm gonna approach this with nested if-else statements. And yeah, so that's just the best way I came about with finding the solution. So we're gonna start with if str.length is greater than num, then we're going to have the body of like pretty much all of our coding here because that's really just the main tester. And the first test case I really want to tackle is this one here. It's where your num is less than or equal to 3. And notice how we do truncate it so that there's only one element and we add in the 3 dots. And those 3 dots don't matter like as far as length being taken into account. So let's go ahead and work on that. So then we're going to nest another if statement. If num is less than or equal to 3, then we are going to go ahead and truncate the str. And we're going to use that using the slice method. So we're going to just set it to itself, str equals str.slice. And the way slice works is there are 2 arguments. So you always want to start at 0 with this case because the 0 here represents the 0th element of that string, or the 0th position. And the second argument tells you how much you want to cut off. And in this case, we want to cut off num. All right. And so this is essentially saying, in this case, we're going to slice string starting at the 0th position, and we're going to take just one element, and everything else is just going to be chopped off. All right. Then let's add in those 3 dots. So I'm just going to put a plus and that string there of 3 dots. Cool. So let's just take a look and see what that looks like right now. I'm going to run this. Cool. And it returns capital A and then 3 dots, which is the right answer according to that test case. So we tackled that first one now. Let's go ahead and work on the other if-else statements. So let's see, let's work on this first test case here. Now num is greater than 3, so we know we have to take into account the 3 dots being considered as far as length goes. So I'm just going to write an else statement saying that we're gonna use the same slice method, and we're always gonna start at 0 in this case because you always want to start at the beginning and cut off at the end. And simply for this, we're just gonna do num minus 3 because we're taking into account the 3 dots, and we're just gonna add in those 3 dots now. All right, so let's see. So this should return a tisket. Let me run that. should return a tisket. Now we take a, oh, duh, this isn't JS, that's why. Okay, so that works, just like we expected it to. Perfect. Let me comment that out. Let's work on the next test case and see what else we need to work on. This should return Peter Piper. Let's see if that works with 3 dots at the end. Cool, that works. Now the next one. This one here should return the exact same string. Let's see what happens. Take out that tisket, a tisket, and yellow basket. That looks good. Let's comment that out. Here, this one here should return the same string, where your num argument is the length of the string plus 2. Let's see what happens. All right, so that looks like it works as well. And let's work on the last test case. This one here should just return AB. All right, let's run it. All right, that looks good. Let's see if that works in free Code Camp. Cool. All right, so it works, guys. Hopefully that helped you out. I'll try thinking of a more complex solution to this, but honestly, this is just the most straightforward, most readable way to approach this. But yeah, it's always good to practice with more methods, so I'll try getting to that. All right, have a good day now. Thank you.